my name? How my name? Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't body. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't body. I'm so what's on sale? What's on sale? What's on sale? What's on sale? Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you to drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you to drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. Lolly, my girl can't cranny. Cranny, she have a big like a monkey. A monkey, a pussy have a tighty. Tighty, I'm out of a smiley. I'm just say, They can't say, where your body there, where your body there. Where your body there, where your body there. Can't find it, can't find it. Can't find it, can't find it. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't body. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't body. I'm so what's on sale.
So, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Don't mind my little spots. Night clothes. I just got off of work. Took my shower. Wanted to see what was good with y'all. How y'all doing? Doing good? Here got me sweating again. Excuse me. Anywho, 4 more days. 4 more days until my trip to Jamaica. So fucking excited. I am working up to the day. Like, I work 3rd shift. I do 12-hour shifts. So, I am working up to the day. So, Monday, I work. Then I get off Tuesday morning. And then, I'll be ready for my trip. Actually, I'm ready to go. You know? So, how are you guys feeling today? Today is Sunday. And I'm just excited. I don't know. What can I say? Just excited. Of all the things, like, okay, let me tell you something about me. Like, you know how some people are more excited like about the festivities and, you know, so forth and so on. So, okay, rude ass TV. I'm more excited. I'm definitely, okay, so something you guys probably don't know about me. Like, I always wanted to go to Jamaica. Like, this is like literally like my dream trip. And like, who knew that I was gonna be dating a Jamaican, engaged to a Jamaican, like about to marry a Jamaican. So I'm like so excited. But let me tell you about haters real quick, because we all experience haters, right? Excuse me. I know I'm like everywhere, but I just got off of work trying to chill, you know what I'm saying? Like, I am going to church though. You gotta get it Lord his time, you feel me? But let me tell you about haters, because like there's a lot of people that don't understand my relationship, and you probably will never understand, honestly. But it's not for you to understand, because you're not the person in the relationship, okay? So when or if I tell you anything about me and my relationship and I'm happy about it, like, you got people who like will just, my stepdad's, his favorite saying is like, people know how to fuck up a wet dream. And it's true, because I'm really excited, you know, about my trip, meeting my fiance, kicking it, just relaxing. It's my birthday weekend, and then you got those people like, oh my God, but you're going to a 3rd world country. Like, how do you feel about it? Look, I don't feel no type of way. I'm going to Jamaica. Like, this is where I always wanted to go. Like, so what's the problem, right? You know, so people gonna say what they say. At the end of the day, it's like, who gives a fuck, right? I don't. I'm gonna have hella lot of fun. Like, Okay, so I am currently, like, literally watching Spice. I just got her on mute. But let's turn that down a bit. I fucking love Spice. Okay, so I've grown to, like, okay, I love music. First of all, like, I love music. I sing, I rap, dance a little bit. So I fucking love music. So that was one of the first things that tied us together, like, honestly, because for our love of music, that's how we started talking. Always talk about music. Music was always and always will be incorporated in our relationship, because, you know, some things that you can't say is always expressed in music. And he's from a different culture. So, you know, a lot of the things, like a lot of his music, some I understand, some I don't. Like, I think the first thing that I asked him about, like, their culture and music was, like, I fucking love their music. I love reggae music. I love dance hall music because I love to dance. So anything to make me shake my ass is like 2 thumbs up, right? But it's like, I was like, damn, why y'all, like, every time y'all dancing, it's like y'all having sex on the dance floor, like making a baby type shit. But that's just how they dance, and I fucking love it. Like, you know, all the shit, especially Spice. Spice is definitely on the top of my favorite Jamaicans list. She's so fucking awesome, and I would love to see her in concert one day. Whom else do I like? Chronixx. Oh my god, Chronixx, he's so fucking awesome. If I ever meet him, that would be like, oh my god, like a new dream come true. Why? Because, okay, anybody that know me know that one of my favorite artists is Mali Music. And Mali Music is like, he was gospel, but now he's more secular, like R&B, pop. But he got a little jazz feel to him. And I love his music. Chronixx reminds me of Mali Music, but with the reggae beat, and just like Rastafarian Mali Music. So I would love to meet Chronixx. Like, I was actually watching his live concert in Kenya on YouTube. I told you I do everything on YouTube. So I was actually watching a live concert on YouTube. Okay? And, excuse me, smoke break. Shotgun. I'm okay. But that was a vapor, if you were wondering, like, what is that? Vape. Yeah, Chronixx, he's fucking awesome. So I would definitely like to accompany my husband in the near future to one of these concerts. So we can either go to Spice, we can go to Chronixx, another Dexter Daps. Oh my god, another favorite Jamaican artist for me. Fucking love him. Like, fucking love him. Like, he got a song called Owner. That's pretty fucking hot. Like, it'll make you, we're definitely gonna make a baby or two off of that. And then he also got a song called Shabba Motherpot. And I fucking love that song. Fucking love that song. Like, he's a talented artist. Whom else? Popcorn is another Jamaican artist. Like, I'm still getting into him. I haven't listened to a lot of his music, but I have listened to a couple of his songs, like El Chapo. He got a song called El Chapo. He also got a song called Family that I really like. So, like, I don't know, like in our little relationship, like music and culture is everything, and I fucking love his culture, like everything about it. I love his culture. So oh my god, like he's awesome, you guys. I can't wait till you guys see him. We have 4 more days. Oh, I think I need a little lotion, a little rusty, whatever. Just got out the tub, so whatever. But we have 4 more days until I see my king, and I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Like, I know you guys will see me. Like, I have been teaching myself patois, and I know, like, I feel like I know, you know, enough to like have a conversation with the Jamaican. So I feel like I know just a good amount. Like patois with wagwan. We already know, like, that's what's up, or what wapan, what happened. What else? What ya say? What did you say? What ya do? What you doing? Where ya stay? Where do you stay? What else? Lockamore, we say that a lot. Later, like, I don't tell my husband bye, I tell him later, because I'll talk to you later. So Lockamore. There's some more, but I'm going blank. But definitely, like, I'm so in love, and I'm glad that you guys are able to come on this journey with me. We're gonna have fun on this channel. This is just the beginning, so I'm definitely trying to get different viewers up. So subscribe, share, like, and man, vibe with me. You know, a lot of times you'll see me smoking. Like, it's a norm, so I don't think about it. Sometimes I won't be smoking. Maybe I'm eating a mango. I started to eat a mango. So I'm gonna finish that. But yeah, man, like, there's so much stuff that I have, like, in store. Like, today I'm doing my hair. Like, I did my hair color, but I'm gonna do some faux locks, dreads. Yes, we're definitely getting the Rastafarian look for my birthday. I'm so excited. It's like so much stuff that I can't even explain to you guys. Like, me and my husband for the first time, like our first day together, and what we're gonna do and things. Like, I'm excited about that shit. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, try to compose it like, oh my god. No, I'm pretty fucking excited. And I hope you guys stay tuned. Like, oh my god. It's so much stuff. And man, I guess stay tuned with me and see where it goes. Not the relationship for it, it's just because that's going skyrocket. You feel me? But just where this goes, YouTube. But this is my song, Yellow Beezy, I Wanna Know. So I'm just vibing, you know? Vibe with me. Yeah, I wanna know why they sleeping on me. I wanna know why they sleeping on me. I wanna know. Like, I'm driving. That's how I be driving for real. Like. Nah, I'm just chilling. Water, lemon water. shotgun, after work joint, you know, vibe out, chill, you know. Yeah, yeah. All I really want to do is give me some money. Sleeping on me. Okay. What else? My favorite strand is Girl Scout cookies. Definitely one of my favorite strands. What else? Yes, Girl Scout cookies is definitely my favorite strand. I definitely prefer it if I ever come across like Girl Scout cookies or Blue Dream or what else? Girl Scout cookies, Blue Dream, pineapple sherbet is a good strand. Oh, Granddaddy Perp, that's what I'm smoking on now. Good strand. Just put you where you want to be. I love Kush. Kush is definitely, I stay on Kush. Like, definitely a strand. I'm actually thinking about, like, not buying any more coffee. Yes, I call it coffee because it keeps me woke. I'm thinking about not buying any more coffee until I get to Jamaica. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to do it, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, got 4 more days. I think I can go 4 days without a leaf. Y'all think so? I think I can do it. So, in 4 days, it's the countdown to my Jamaica birthday trip. And the reason why I'm so excited, you say. Why are you excited, you say? I'll let you know. I am so excited because it's my birthday trip. Y'all gonna get tired of me saying this. Like, damn, I wish her birthday passed already. Well, my birthday's September the 3rd, but I will be celebrating my birthday the whole month. You feel me? And that's just how Virgos do it. Like, but I mean, on my birthday week where I'm in Jamaica, it'll definitely be like, I plan on being fly as shit. You know what I'm saying? Having fun. Definitely gonna see me twerking. I can't wait. I told Bae, I said, you just gonna have to stand behind me because you already know I'm gonna be catching some eyes because I'm gonna be twerking. But only for him. So it is what it is. But I don't know. Okay, there'll definitely be more videos. I don't want to hold you guys up from your day. Thank you for taking the time out with me, kicking it with me, chopping it up with me for my morning routine. And I guess I'll talk to you guys later at a different time. It's your girl Queen Mo. I'm on my fat girl shit. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Be encouraged, be kind, be great. Fuck what a hater gotta say because they don't mean shit to your day. You feel me? And let's seal it with a leaf. Shotgun. Peace.